I'm Dr. Lily Parkinson, a clinical veterinarian at Brookfield Zoo, Chicago. I am working to start a frozen red blood cell bank for zoo animals. Today, we're going to dive into the process. So first, how do we collect the samples? Well, first we need bags to hold the blood that we collect. And working with animals, those animals come in many different shapes and sizes, so we can't always use what works for humans. One key special piece of equipment that we have is our sterile tubing welder. It helps us create special bags for animals of all sizes, especially our smaller friends. Using our sterile tube welder helps us keep all of the blood bags sterile, clean, and safe for later transfusions. Next, how do we get the blood? At the animal hospital, we are collecting small, safe donation samples during routine wellness checkups of our animals. Every donation comes from healthy animals that have the ability to donate, which helps us advance science while keeping animal health and well-being a top priority. What do we do with the blood once we collect it? We go through a process of getting the blood ready to be frozen. We run it through a series of tests, clean it, add a special solution, and then finally we freeze it. Not all animal blood is created equal. Each species has unique red blood cells that behave in different ways. Our research is focused on finding out which of these cells can remain happy and healthy after surviving machine washing, freezing, and thawing to remain strong for transfusions. So far, we've had promising results from giraffes, polar bears, elephants, and even dolphins. For many animals, just one frozen unit of compatible blood could be the difference between life and death during an emergency. This blood banking project is more than a research study. It could be a huge step towards changing the future of animal care in zoos and aquariums across the country. And we hope at Brookfield Zoo Chicago that we can make that happen.